Airtable views are what turn raw data into something usable. If you don't understand views, Airtable feels messy. In this video, I'll show you how to use Airtable views step by step in 2026 and how to organize the same data in multiple smart ways. All right. First, let's clear this up. A view does not create new data. A view is just a way to look at the same records differently. You can change views without changing your actual data. Now, open the Views panel on the left side of your base. This is where all your views live. By default, you'll see at least one grid view. Next, create a new view. Click Add View, then choose the view type you want. Grid, Calendar, Gallery, Kanban. Each one shows data differently, but uses the same records. All right? Rename your views immediately. Instead of leaving names like Grid View 2, use names like Active Tasks, Completed Items, or Planning View. Clear view names keep things organized as your base grows. Now, customize each view. You can apply filters, sorting, grouping, and hide fields. These changes apply only to the current view, not the entire base. This is where views really shine. Create one view for daily work, one for review, and one for completed items. Same data, different workflows, no duplication. All right? One important detail. You can control who can edit or see certain views. For shared bases, this prevents accidental changes while still keeping data visible. Finally, when should you create a new view? Create a new view anytime you want to look at the same data differently. If you find yourself constantly changing filters, that's a sign you need another view. And that's how to use Airtable views properly. Once views are set up, your data stays clean and your workflow stays fast. Master views and Airtable starts working for you.